Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rachel. How you doing today? I'm feeling pretty red today. So today's look is going to be a red one. I'm going to be using mostly the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette, and I might dip into the Zulu by Juvia's Place and the Live in Color palette by Morphe for some different reds. I've not planned out what I'm doing yet, so we're just gonna roll with it. All right, let's dive into this look. So I already have my whole face on and my eyelids are primed with MAC Paint Pot and Painterly. So I think I'm gonna do all over my eyes. I think I'm gonna do Sugar Cane. Where am I storing all my crap? I always forget how pink of a hue this is, but oh well, we're doing a red look, so it's fitting. I have like no room for all my stuff. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do in my crease, I'm gonna go with the shade, is that sparkly? No, okay, it's matte. Life from the Live in Color palette. I'm gonna put that in my crease. Okay, then I'm going to take one of these angled like liner brush things and I'm gonna go into, hold on, I gotta move my crap around. I'm gonna try Fresh Meat down here as like my line, my cut crease sort of deal. I just keep getting crap on my fingers. Okay. Settle down. Let's do some shit. Is this dark enough for the effect I'm going for? Not really. Okay, scratch that. I'm going into Intravenous, which is this one down here. This one is very brown, so I'm gonna have to blend this out a lot. Okay, that's gonna look kind of funny. So then I'm going to take my like little crease blending brush type deal and I'm going to choose Tongue Pop as my transition shade. So that's this one in the middle there. Now, I'm gonna first make sure that my blending brush is clean, and then I'm just gonna, you know, blend. There's really no precision in this part of it. You just kind of slap that shit all over your eye. Okay, so next I'm going to cut my crease. Where is my, here it is, okay. I'm gonna use concealer to cut my crease with my Beauty Bakery concealer brush. I went a little over my line, so I'm just gonna take some intravenous again and kind of correct that. And grab a little more concealer and then kind of like make that crisp. All right, now what am I going to do on the lid? I think I'm gonna go with the shade Sweetener. I'm gonna test that combination out. Okay, so I'm gonna wet my packing brush with Fix Plus. Okay, she cute, she cute. I'm also going to take my liner brush again and see if I can just like kind of blend out these lines because they're looking a little harsh. You know what? They're perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna take like a smudger brush kind of deal, and then I'm gonna go back into Life from the Live in Color palette, and I'm gonna go under my lower lash line. Okay, then next I'm going to take my little like blender brush again and go back into Tongue Pop and just blend out that lower lash line. Gotta tap out the itch, don't scratch it. Okay, I'm gonna use my Jeffree Star lip liner on my waterline in the shade Unicorn Blood. Okay, she cute, she looking kind of vampire-ish. Yes, I will suck your blood. I'm going to use my Jeffree Star Skin Frost in Jeffree. And I'm gonna do that in my inner corner because that's what I used as my actual highlight. And I'm gonna add a little bit underneath my brow. Yes, okay, she looking cute. On my inner corner, I'm actually going to like top it off with some Supreme Frost from the Pro palette in Thawed Out. Now the question is to do eyeliner or not. I'm at least gonna do a tight line in my Kat Von D. What is this? Tattoo liner. do just like a little baby wing. That turned into a not so baby wing, because you know that's how it goes with eyeliner. Okay, then I'm gonna put on my mascara. I should get out my Kush or my Milk Makeup Kush waterproof mascara because it's raining out today. Okay, should I do falsies? I don't think I'm gonna do falsies today just because I don't feel like keeping them on all day. Okay, so on my lips, I'm gonna put on first my ColourPop Lippie Sticks primer, which really draws up all the dead skin on my lips. I already exfoliated today. Okay, and then for my lipstick, so my makeup is still all packed away. My lipstick tower is in a box with other things in it blocking the drawers. So the only like liquid lipstick section or drawer that I can get to is my neutrals and then my glosses. So that being said, I didn't want to dig it out, so we're going with a neutral lip, and I'm going with Beauty Bakery's I Like to Chai Lip Whip. These things last through frickin' everything. So that's good because my friend is gonna feed me dinner when I go pick her up, so this will last through that, whatever it is. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry down a little bit. You can see there's kind of like holes in my lips where I've picked off the dead skin and it bled a little bit. Not bleeding anymore, they're just gaps in the lipstick. Once that dries down, I want to try out my Sephora collection clear lip gloss. I'm not a gloss person, but I'm sure this will wear off quickly, and because I have a lip color underneath it, it's not going to bother me that it's worn off. Alright, that's cute. It's not like as shiny, as like thick and shiny as I wanted it to be, but it's functional. And it totally cleared off the spots that I had picked and bled, and so that's gonna look real cute. Well, anyways, try to ignore those spots. I'll try to Facetune them out in my photos. Yeah, so here she is. She's looking cute, right? In that red vibe. So if you want to see the video for the review of the primer that I'm wearing right now, click up here. And then click down here to subscribe to me before you go. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.